I said, baby, let's go. I ain't in love, that's for sure. You want some bread, got that dough. Are we gonna party some more? We up and down on that floor. Can you just shake it some more? I got some money to throw. The way you up and down on that pole, I ain't got no reason.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Niel, back with another video. And like you can tell from the title, we're about to be consuming some food. Haha. We're doing a Popeyes mukbang today. So I didn't just want to, sit down and eat and not like say nothing to y'all. It's kind of whack, that's lame. So what I did was I had some of my friends ask me some questions that I should answer in the video while I consume this food. So that's exactly what's about to happen right now. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna have a shrimp first. Yeah, one thing about me, bro, I love me some seafood, dog. Love seafood. I can eat seafood all day. Love it. But, let's start with these questions. So, I had my friends texting to me. I didn't open the text messages yet. So we gonna jump into the first question. Hold up. First question. Am I single? Yeah. I am single. Y'all probably like, why'd you have to think about it? I am 100% single. I'm not even gonna get into like any detail about that, about why I'm single or anything like that. There's a reason, but that's not the question that was asked. If I'm single. It was if I'm single. So yeah, I'm single. Question number 2. It's kind of long. If you had to leave the country right now, at this moment, where would you go? And it can't be somewhere you've been to. She knows I'm gonna say Jamaica. This person knows I'm gonna say Jamaica. So I'll go back to Jamaica right now. Go to right now. Haven't been before. This gonna sound crazy because y'all gonna be like, what? But Thailand. Definitely Thailand. I've had friends that visited Thailand or whatever. They came back, it was nothing but like good experiences. Swimming with elephants and stuff. And it's just like very beautiful. Like the pictures and the videos that I've seen of Thailand. That place bomb, bro. And my phone off. I could be like. Question number 3. Why did your parents name you what they named you? My first name, I don't know where my first name came from. I never really asked. The conversation never really came up either. It don't matter. My name, like, for me, my name is my name. And I'm gonna rock with my name no matter what. You feel me? Regardless of whatever, my name is my name and I'm gonna rock with it. But recently, like very recently, like after I was in the military, my sister told me that my middle name, somewhere my middle name came from. So I was born in 1996, and in 1996 there was this little girl, her first name was Jessica. And she was trying to set history by being the youngest pilot to fly across the United States. Like from Cali to like the furthest east, like New York. Is New York furthest east? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think New York is the furthest east. But one of them over there, like it might be Connecticut or one of them, I don't know. The furthest east though, she was trying to fly from the furthest west to the furthest east. And she started or whatever, but she never got to finish. The plane crashed and everybody on board died. So it was her father and their pilot. Because you have to have an actual pilot with the 7-year-old pilot, safety reasons. But yeah, they all died. May they rest in peace. So that's where my middle name Jessica came from. And of course my last name is my family name. Next question. Where is it? Do I pour cereal first or milk? Why is this still a debate that's going on in this world? Like, who pours cereal first? I mean, who pours milk first? Why would you do that? Milk first? Like, that don't make no sense. I don't know. Milk first? I pour cereal first, clearly. Cereal and milk, you know what I'm saying? Where else? How do I like to cheer myself up when I'm feeling down? Oh, I like to work out a lot. And I love music. So it's either one or the other or a combination of both. But working out is actually better for you when you're feeling down. Because as a result of working out, your body releases hormones that like make you happy and cheer you up and make you feel good about yourself. So if you're sad, down, or whatever, go work out or go outside or something. Just get your body moving. You'll thank me later. I promise. I expect them to ask me a lot more questions, but some of these questions I'm actually skipping out though, because I don't really, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm chilling right now, you feel me? Question, what are my thoughts on this whole corona situation? Yo, y'all gotta stay inside y'all houses, bro. Like, for real. This whole corona thing is crazy, like, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's gonna get a lot worse before it gets better, because people don't listen. Like, governments around the world are trying to get people to stay inside and social distance and stuff like that. And they ain't trying to do that. And me personally, corona has ruined my whole year. Like, I know it's just April or whatever, but corona has effectively ruined my entire year at this point. Because, like I said in my last video, I'm not supposed to be here. And I'm here because of corona. Like, people can't travel. And right now, corona has me on track to miss one of my favorite holidays with my family. Like, so I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of mad about it. I'm kind of mad about it. It's the first time I've ever missed this holiday, and it's, I mean, you know, even though it's a long while from now, but as of right now, corona has me on track to miss this holiday. You know what I'm saying? Like, just stay inside, bro, and wash your hands and use this. Okay? Get you some hand sanitizer, okay? All right, cool. Oh, what else? How long have I been in the army? How long have I been in the army is like this long. I've been in less than a year. I mean, you be at this, but I've seen myself do this for a while. You know? Maybe 2 tours or 2 contracts or whatever you call them. Maybe, who knows? Let's see. Why I decided to join the army? My last video like tells you why I joined the army, but to sum it up and I give you a long story, I joined the army because I was bored. Like, that sounds crazy, right? Because if you know anything about the army, you know that the army is a routine machine or whatever. But it's different from the routine that I had at home. Like, it feels different. Even though I get up most days and do the same thing at the same exact time. Like, for example, we work out at the same time every day. And we go to work at the same time every day. So, even though that's the case or whatever, it still feels different than the routine that I had at home. I mean, I guess it's the nature of the job or whatever, I don't know. But it makes me feel different, so Would I move back to Jamaica? As of right now, no. For those of you who don't know, I'm Jamaican born. Like, yeah, I'm Jamaican born. Like, yeah, that's my place. Like, yeah, man. Eternal Father, bless our land type stuff. Like, I'm a yacht man. But to answer that question, that would be a no for me. And here's why. I spent most of my adult life, not most, all of my adult life living in America. So I'm used to like how Americans do things. Like, especially how they do business. I mean, doing business in Jamaica is annoying. Okay? Like, for example, the last time I went to Jamaica, I was trying to open a bank account, right? Guess how long it took me to open that one bank account, bro? 3 days. 1, 2, 3 días. 3 días to open one account. What? And that's with a lot of things in Jamaica. Like, it's a pretty laid back country in certain aspects. Like, it's a pretty laid back, not in certain aspects. It's a pretty laid back country in like you know, like how it's a vacation spot. People party all the time, stuff like that. In a vacation spot, and for example, a party, people aren't really rushing. Like, people don't technically rush. Like, there's no sense of urgency and stuff like that. And sometimes that, you know what I mean, seeps over into business life and stuff. So like, doing anything in Jamaica takes forever, bro. Like, you be in a bank trying to sort things out all day. Like, you be in a government office trying to sort things out all day. Like, you know what I mean? And I can't deal with that. I can't do that. You know what I'm saying? So in that aspect, no, I wouldn't move back to Jamaica. But Jamaica is a very beautiful place. It's great to vacation and stuff like that. So if some miracle happens and I can retire next year, I'm gonna retire in Jamaica. Because now's the time of my life where I relax. And I chill, you know what I mean? And I go hang out with my friends and stuff like that. I don't have nothing to be, you know, I'm really doing, like, you know, but at my age now, it's like, I need a sense of urgency with everything that I do. So, yeah. And like I said, I spent most of my adult life, not most, all of my adult life in America. So I'm just used to everything that's how the American way, like the American way. So if I'm going back to Jamaica now, I basically have to re-socialize in a lot of senses. Not all aspects, but in a bunch of aspects, I'll have to re-socialize. And that's kind of, you know, I don't really want to do that right now. Like, that's not in my future. So, next question. But if anybody know anybody selling a piece of land in Portland though, holler at me. Need that piece of land in Portland. For real. Wait. Next question. How do you feel about cartel appeal being denied? My vex, brother. God no. My vex. Bed, man. Because personally, I feel like if cartel wasn't cartel, he would not be in prison right now. Like, if this was some regular man on the street, not on the street, but if this was some regular man, he would not be in prison. Because first of all, there's no body found for the person that he allegedly murdered. And I'm gonna still say allegedly, even though they convicted him, I'm gonna still say allegedly. There's no body for the person he allegedly murdered. And on the day of the alleged crime, cartel's phone pins him somewhere else other than where the crime was committed. And there's hospital records also showing that cartel was somewhere else the day the crime was committed. So, like, okay, you could put your phone in your girl's car or whatever and have her drive somewhere, or your friend's car, have him drive somewhere and use your phone or whatever. Sure, cool. But the hospital records, how do you explain that? Right? And then there's no body, bro. Like, what? If this was any other country other than Jamaica, I feel like this wouldn't even be this case wouldn't even go into trial. Like it wouldn't even go into trial because there's not enough evidence to convict this man, right? And on top of that, brother, the house that the crime was committed, guess what the brother them do? The man them demolished the house, dog. Brother, brother. Oh, dog, oh. You see me? A whole crime scene and you demolish it. Demolishing all proof of whatever. And it's not even the people in the community. It's not cartel himself. It's not cartel estate. It's not anybody on behalf of cartel. It's the prosecution that demolished the house. So, brother, that don't look weird to you, dog? Like, when I big man lives, that don't look weird to you? It look weird to me, bro. It look shaky. My dad's gonna get on me for saying this, but I don't believe Cartel committed that murder. He may have murdered someone else. I don't know Cartel I don't know Cartel outside of the studio. I don't know what type of person he is outside. I don't know him beyond his music. But I know for a fact that this murder they saying he did, the time that he doing for this crime, he didn't do it. I'm telling you, bro. Watch, 15, 20 years from now, maybe not even that long, there's gonna be a whole documentary on this matter. The cartel situation, there's gonna be a whole documentary on it. And it's gonna prove that man was innocent and they only have him in jail to control him, to control his influence, because they don't like how much influence cartel has on the Jamaican society. Not even just the Jamaican society, but the Caribbean society around the world. They don't like that. So watch. In like 10 years, 10, 15 years from now, there's gonna be a documentary out. Speaking on how they locked him up, put this murder charge on him to control his influence in society. I'm gonna ask Christ, man, tell me that there. Shoot. Mama Vex dog. Oh, listen. I'm gonna free red boss here. And stop telling life on the man. Alright? What? No, and his son's about to take over the music game. And they're sitting at jail. Can't watch him son them be great. He's missing out on his family, all this extra stuff. Just because they wanna pin a crime on him. I'm telling you, this right here, this whole cartel situation is gonna be a part of history, dog. Be a history going right now. I promise you that, dog. Like, they really gonna come back and talk about all of this. And the same stuff that his lawyers was saying today, they're gonna be saying in 10, 15 years about how he didn't get a fair trial. He wasn't where they said he was. He has proof that he wasn't where they said he was. And all of that. Tell me. Watch. Free world boss here. God love forever. Let me see if I got one more question. What I do for fun? I don't do much for fun right now. Because there's not, like, I don't have none of the stuff that I want with me right now. Because, like I said, I wasn't supposed to be here. So I just, like, didn't buy things that I wanted to buy to have fun. Like, you know, my DJ equipment. I actually gave my old DJ, well, not old, but the DJ equipment that I had, I gave it to my little brothers. So I need new DJ equipment. I don't have none of that. The Rona closed the gyms down, so ain't no gymming going on at all. So I don't, right now I don't be doing nothing. I just be researching stuff and reading. And I mean, it's relaxing, but I wouldn't say I'll do it for fun. Like, I'd rather be like playing music or something, you know? What? Damn, this is a big ass piece of chicken. But that's all the questions I have for now. even though I have more food. It's not much. I probably won't eat this piece of chicken because personally I don't like a lot of meat, so I don't eat like thighs or like chicken breast or anything like that. I eat like the back, the leg, the wing. So I probably won't even eat this piece of chicken, honestly. But I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, emphasis on the subscription. The subscription part of it, do that. If you're watching my video without being subscribed to me, you're doing something wrong, bro. Subscribe, alright? Thank you all for watching.